What if you can make an additional 600 a month passively or using GPT-4? Hey Money Magnets, GPT-4 had just launched, all with its new mind-blowing capabilities of helping you to make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use GPT-4 to make a substantial amount of income easily using all the new shiny new upgrades from GPT-4. For those of you who don't know, GPT-4 have just launched and it has a fine new upgrade. It's better in creativity, but what's great about this is GPT-4 is capable of handling over 25,000 words of text. Now, this is a game changer. Now, to start making money with ChatGPT-4, firstly, you need to be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. You should be able to see something around here that lets you upgrade. So once you've upgraded, you'll be able to see this GPT-3 as default and here, which is GPT-4. The reason why we want to use GPT-4 is because of its advanced reasoning and conciseness. As compared to the current GPT-3, as you can see, it's actually far more weaker. You can ignore the legacy one because this was the previous model. Alright, so once you got GPT-4, this is how it looks like. Now, what we are having here is just a standard GPT-4 version. This is not going to help you. Instead, what you need to do is to allow GPT-4 to search the internet. What you need to do is to go onto this plugin that you can install very easily to your Google Chrome. And once you have that, you'll be able to use GPT-4 to search the internet. This is very crucial. First, search onto Google, called Google Chrome extensions. You'll be looking just like this. Click onto this. Next, what you want to do here is search for Web Chat GPT. What you want is this one, all right, just this one. You could click into this and you should be able to see add into Chrome right here. Once you add it, you'll be able to see something like that where you can see web access. This is the one that you want. All you need to do is just to click this web access and you can see press / to open command menu. So you can either restrict the search result to a specific website itself, such as wikipedia.com, or you can get the content of a specific page such as /buymeacoffee.com. So for example, this means is you have found a very credible website and you want to extract information from that website itself. But right now, we're just going to go general and ask you to give us sources. Give me sources. Prove that eating more frequent but less portion helps with weight loss. Click enter. And there you go. You will actually analyze some of these web pages such as Medical News Today, which is a very, very authoritative website. It have given you the sources right here, 1, 2, and 3. You can click onto this and you can see this is Medical News Today. So it's definitely an authoritative website because all the sources that it provides you at the bottom, it's actually quite powerful, as you can see here. Once you have this, what you can do is to ask ChatGPT to create social media posts for you. Craft me a Facebook post based on the above sources and click enter. So what it does is it will create you a Facebook post, as you can see right here. The good thing about GPT-4 is that it is so much more powerful because it now includes emoticons as well. And the way he phrased the conversation is much more better than 3.5. It even provides you with the hashtags as well. Yeah, it's that simple. Now you have an engaging post from GPT-4 reasoning, and then this particular post is very valuable because it has included those kind of sources, which means it's very, very authoritative. So once you got this post itself, you can actually go into Canva and start creating your content. If you actually have a pro account like me, you can actually use all these kind of awesome posts. All right. Now comes the exciting part, how you can make money with what you have done with GPT-4. Once you created this as well, then you can have two choices. Either start selling your Facebook post as on demand, such as this, designing a social media post based on what you have learned how to use GPT-4. Or you can just sell the templates just like this. But if you want to sell it on template, you can start selling it on Etsy, as you can see here. But because Etsy is based on SEO, you should actually create many versions of your particular template. For example, here, I'll show you this person who is sleekdesigns.co. It actually have 3 versions based on a particular topic, and including the name itself is very similar. Alright, they are creating a lot of versions out of this. Let's take a look. So Sleek Design Co. have sold about 6,000 sales based on its template. Alright, now let me show you an example what I mean by creating different versions so you can rank on Etsy. So on Etsy, say you wanted to sell 50 wellness and health coach Instagram posts. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and they're all slightly different from one another. So if you will be able to create many versions of this, you will likely to rank much better onto Etsy. The good thing about this is that all the content that you're creating are evergreen content, which means they are niches that will last for a very, very long time, such as weight loss, which I've shown you as well. So this content can last over 10, 20, or even 30 years. That is key to you to actually achieve passive income that will help you in a very, very long run. So from Sleek Designs Co., you have sold around 6,000 sales, and all of them is sold around $15. Of course, this is in RM because I'm in Malaysia, but let's convert this into USD. So we have 6180 times 15 ringgit. So that's around 92,000 ringgit. And let's change it into USD, which is divided by 4, which is around 23,000 USD. So from this 23,000 USD, let's divide it by 3 years, because I think this store has been up for 3 years, but I'm not so sure. On average, let's just say it's 3 years. So that's 7,000. So let's divide it by 12, and there you go. You can get around 600 a month by creating evergreen content, listing it on Etsy, all with the power of GPT-4. Now, this is just one of the basic ways on how you can make money with ChatGPT, but it is definitely a very worthwhile one. For example, imagine you're earning 600 a month. That can either fill your retirement and at the same time helps you to purchase many other luxuries in life as well. It can also help you quit your job as well if you know how to do it well. And that's just one form of money making with ChatGPT. If you want more, click on the link below in my description, because there are other ways for you to make money online as well with ChatGPT. So that's it. If you want to make more money with ChatGPT, subscribe to this channel and check out some of my videos that will be appearing here shortly. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.